got your computer working now?
Yeah.
What kind? Is there?
Something, man.
I don't know if you told me what you have.
Right out in there.
Something
How many?
Right
Whatever
on
does
that.
it have?
got video or audio.
For heaven's sakes.
That ain't something.
Nothing.
What?
What a strip there.
What's something?
One more
Oh.
call.
Can't get that out of there stripped.
You're kidding.
Look like the. Does it look like the Swisher?
You really tell.
How do you get that other
Wires
screw out of there?
Might be another part to take off once you get this.
How do you take them off when you can't get them off?
Oh, we're just trying to figure it out.
Got a flathead screwdriver?
Yeah.
Pry up close there, maybe? Or even under the screw?
Break
Okay,
that
I'll
and
go
you're in
get-
trouble.
I'll go get a flathead. Here.
Hell
You break that white thing and then you're in trouble.
Hell, we're in trouble.
don't run.
Then we'd have to forget it.
Cracks at the corner anyway, maybe. Bring it! Oh, you got one right there?
Ah,
Yeah, that'll break, Bill.
you got one?
It ain't doing it.
Who cares if that breaks?
Who cares then? That's the end of my dishwasher.
Oh, just one screw there. That's
No, but if you break the white thing, the water will leak out.
Oh, I got this.
What do you mean you got that? What is it there for then?